Billionario and former Senator Cynthia Villar's legendary temper was on full display once again. Villar confronted village security personnel implementing a new traffic scheme in BF Resort Village, Las Piñas.
Huwag mo ilalagay ko yun dyan. At ikaw
Ay, hindi
kukunin
naman namin
kita.
yun, ma'am. Kukunin ko namin sa amin. Yeah.
O inyo yan.
Ako
Pero huwag
kunin
nyo
po
ilalagay
namin.
yan.
Sige
Ito
po.
lahat ito. Mula dito.
Hanggang doon sa amin.
Lahat yan.
Kasi hindi, basta kayo.
The confrontation reportedly stemmed from a newly introduced traffic management scheme designed to ease chronic congestion along BF Resort Drive, particularly during school rush hours.
Alam mo, ititimanda po kayo.
Kalsada naman po kasi yun.
Anong kalsada yung harap ng bahay ko yan lahat? O, bakit yung iba hindi mo nilalagyan?
Mayroon
At saka, huwag na lang ang tanga. Ako, hindi ako tanga.
Political learned that the episode triggered confusion among marshals, stalled vehicles along key intersections, and a Monday morning gridlock that residents said was worse than usual.
Walis ka na! Lumabas ka doon! Lumabas ka doon! Lumabas ka doon! Ito, alam namin ito. Ako lumabas.
Tingnan mo, sila tayo natin. Sa hindi mo sila
Pasok mo yun, pasok mo yun.
Lalagyan mo na hindi makakalipat.
May gold na po kami nag-atos, ma'am.
The outburst is said to be the latest flare-up in Villar's long-running feud with officials of BF Resort Village Homeowners Association Incorporated.
Dati,
Ito.
Ma'am, huwag po kayo magagalit sa akin, ma'am. Kasi kami, nagtatrabaho lang din po.
Nagtatrabaho ka. Eh, illegal na yung hindi na ba nakita?
Opo.
Pakita mo sa kanila na yung BF Resort Homeowner Association na yan, UWAT, illegal na yan. Ayaw niya lang umalis sa pwesto.
Wala ko kaming alam kasi.
Anong hindi nyo alam? Dapat susunod ka sa matino.
Village officials, for their part, insist BF Resort Drive is a public road and that the traffic measures were part of routine management aimed at improving safety and flow.